How to set custom ringtone on WhatsApp Android. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can set custom ringtone on WhatsApp Android. So let's get started. So at first you will have to open the settings on your device. So simply you have to open settings, and now from here you will have to type in the search field for notification sound. Alright, so after you search the notification sound in the search field, you will get options to notification sound under the sound and vibration section. So simply you have to open it. And now on this section, depending on your Android phone or your OS builds, you will get options to make changes on the app's ringtones. So right now in my case, I will be able to change the ringtone of my phone and it will be automatically change it to my WhatsApp ringtone. So to change it from here, I will have to go with the options ringtone, and now from here I will have to choose the ringtone from here, and that ringtone will automatically set to the WhatsApp ringtone. So if you got options to set a ringtone on a specific app, you will go through that option. So this is the easiest and simplest method to set the custom ringtone on WhatsApp Android. So hope this video was helpful to you, and if any queries are arises, just let me know them in comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.